Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with something really nice. This is the Umburry Cascade Coin in copper nickel. With me, we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this guy, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So this is a really cool haptic coin made by Umburry in US. It's gonna cost you around $100 if you can find one, because these guys are becoming quite popular, and they drop on the website and they're not lasting that much because they're pretty cool. So let's just quickly check first of all the size of this guy. As you can see, it's going to be 1.35 inches in length, and it's going to have like a 0.37 inches of thickness. So this is the mid-size coin, because for example this is another one like reading Timascus. This is the full size coin, and you can see the difference right there. But for example, just to give you an idea of something else, this is the BM black mirror, that's the dial. And let me just show you another couple popular one. This is the Mackie and Umburry collaboration coin, also like haptic coin right here. That's the Nighthawk, pretty cool in Zirc. And just another couple I want to show you here. This is the Bulletproof Shield by EDC Lung. And what else can I show you? Of course, let me show you this beautiful Mackie. That's the capsule in titanium, you can see right there. And just another couple because these are so cool. This is the ACDC, that's the gamer. Really cool one. Stay tuned for the review on this guy. And what else can I show you? Just to give you another idea, that's like Lauti. This is the chess pawn in particular. And why not? Yeah, just beautiful Zirc mahjong tile right over here. So, I mean, from the look point of view, this is just gorgeous, because you can actually see the detail of this guy is just fantastic. You can also see my fingerprints, but the level of etching on this guy is just spectacular. Really nice. This is not like a super deep etching like, for example, you would find in this guy over here, which is kind of deep, and you can actually feel the grooves like very well. In this one, it's a little bit subtle. It's not that deep. This is made in copper nickel, and in the latest editions, you can just open it up and see the material employed on the inside. For example, like in these guys over here, these are a little bit older, you don't see the logo and you don't see the material employed on the inside. You just know that this is Timascus. But for example, like in this guy over here, you can appreciate that that's made in bronze. And for this guy over here, you can see that this is made in Zirc. So it's a nice thing that they are like marking the material employed on the inside, because you know what you are using, and that's fantastic. So from the look point of view, this is just gorgeous. Copper nickel, it's shiny, it's fantastic. It creates like this effect when etched, and you know, the inside it's not polished, the outside it is, and it's just beautiful, like mirror polish finish on the outside. Also, of course, this guy is finished by hand. It's just gorgeous. I mean, and it's very simple, like the construction. You can see there's like 6 magnets on each side and just a set of roller bearings on the in the middle, just to allow you to be doing like this. So from the sound perspective, that's the sound this guy's gonna make. So it's very pleasant. It's a nice haptic coin. You have a nice feel to it, but also you can be really quiet like this. So as you push a little bit more, and then you just have like this haptic feedback created by the magnets, that is gonna be absolutely silent. You're gonna feel it. Nobody else is gonna hear it. Or if you want, you just apply less pressure on the edge, and you can even be even louder and annoying. So you can, yeah, annoy the heck out of people. So keep that in mind. From the feeling also perspective, it's really good because it feels great in the hand. You have this nice texture created by the etching, which creates some traction. It's not like as slippery, for example, as this one. This is less noisy. It's quieter, but it's also slippery because of the surface is not etched, it's just polished. And this one, it gives you a nice traction when you play with it. So it's just a really cool one. And let's just quickly check how much this guy is gonna weight, because there's some substance to it. In fact, look at that. That's gonna be 2.33 ounces in the pocket. So that's a beautiful thing to carry in your pocket in the summer. You just toss it in your pocket. You're gonna have something to fidget with when you're waiting in line, or like wherever. It's compact, and also comes with this little pouch, so you can carry it around without being worried of scratching it, and it's gonna always be with you. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.